Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to generate premium brand images on marketing graphics right inside ChatGPT with just one click using PromptNinja AI. So let's dive in. First, we need to log in our brand DNA. So I'm going to log into the members area. Once you log in, you need to go to the brand profile and then you need to create a new profile brand right here. You just need to fill in this information like the name, the niche, the target audience, the brand colors, and then the style. So for this example, I'll be using Alex Hermosi. As you can see, it has Alex Hermosi's name, the brand, the niche, the description, target audience, and then the style and theme, the brand colors, and then the selling points right here. All right, once you've done that, you click on Save Profile, and then you need to go to the license key, and then you simply copy and paste the license key. Now, once you've done that, head over to ChatGPT, open up or click on the ninja icon, and then you simply paste the license key right here, and then you simply need to click on Activate. Right. Now, as you can see, Alex Hormoz's profile is now synced or connected inside PromptNinja AI. So what we can do now is we simply need to select a template or a prompt template, for example, this webinar poster. So I'm gonna be describing the image or the graphic that I wanted to produce. So for example, this is all about business growth masterclass, and then this is happening on July 29, 10 a.m. EST, and then available for 100 seats only. And then I'm just gonna simply click on next, and then select an aspect ratio, and then hit on generate. Now PromptNinja AI automatically inject the reference image and inject the style and branding into the chat box, and now it's writing the actual detailed prompt. After it writes the actual detailed prompt, it then refeed and resubmit the prompt without you having to touch anything. It's all automated, right? Once you submitted the initial prompt, it then automatically write you a detailed prompt and then refeeds or resubmit the created prompt into the chat box, and then it generate you now the image. It's actually really powerful, right? So let's just give this a few seconds. All right, so as you can see, the graphic or the image or the webinar poster has been created, and now you can simply download this and use this in your business. So now let's create another image or another visual. So let's try to create a thumbnail. So for this example, I'll be creating a thumbnail about 5 free untapped traffic sources. So this is the title of the thumbnail. So I'm just going to click on next, and then it automatically select the aspect ratio for the thumbnail, and then click on generate. So now it automatically sends the initial prompt, and then it's currently writing the detailed prompt without you needing to touch anything. I'm not touching anything, right? After it writes the detailed prompt, it then refeeds or resubmit that detailed prompt automatically. As you can see, it resubmit that detailed prompt automatically, and right now it's creating the actual image, right? So let's just give this a few seconds. All right, so as you can see, the thumbnail has been generated. So it says 5 free untapped traffic sources. And as you can see, it matches exactly into the first image because we've set up a, a brand DNA profile right inside the members area or right inside our software, and it automatically injects right inside ChatGPT's chat box, and it automatically generate you the prompt detail, the detailed prompt, and then it automatically resubmit or refeed that prompt into ChatGPT and automatically generate you the image without you needing to copy and paste prompt. It's all automated. All right. Now you can create unlimited graphic, unlimited images for your brand. Now let's try one more use cases for this one. So for example, I'm gonna be using the code card right here, and then you can describe your image right here. If you don't want to point anything, you can leave it as blank, but you can say something like, so I'm gonna be adding here this quote right here from Alex Ramosi. It says, the more ways you measure, the more ways you can win. So I'm gonna click on next, and then you can select an aspect ratio again. I'm gonna be selecting this 1:1 ratio. Click on submit, and now it's submitting the initial prompt, and then analyze the visual or analyze the image, and then it write you the detailed prompt. And then after it writes you or after it gives you the detailed prompt, it then automatically resubmit and refeed that prompt into the chat box, and now it's generating the actual image. All right, so as you can see, the image has been generated, and as you can see, the image is consistent. It follows exactly the branding of Alex Hermosi. So that's pretty much how you can use the PromptNinja AI. You can use this in different use cases, like for example, thumbnail, influencer, webinar poster, Pinterest, website hero, lead magnet, Discord banner, a personal card, and then you can browse in different, categories right here. Could be social media, blogs and news, branding, marketing, promo, events, audio and podcasts, digital product. If you create journal, you can create journal covers. If you do podcasting, you can create a podcast studio graphic, podcast cover, podcast banner. You can pretty much create whatever brand visuals or marketing graphic that you need. So that's it in this video. Talk to you soon. Bye.